Hello all. Today let me show you something simple. So if you want to install something that is not available in Arch standard repo, or even if it's not available in AUR, it may be available in something like Parabola. So you can open up your favorite browser and you can search for like Parabola packages. If you search that, the first page, packages Parabola GNU, you can open this page. So this is like Parabola is a GNU Linux Libre version of Arch Linux. So no proprietary drivers, no proprietary blobs or something. So it's based on the free software foundation principles. So you can read through that if you want. So here, if you search for something like Icecat with your relevant architecture, you can find Icecat over here. Actually, Icecat is available. Your packages. If I search like Icecat over here, it's available. So it's already here, but if you want to install, you can do that. But the binary version is like very old, 67 something. So you can grab the latest version from Parabola and you can download it by downloading from the mirror. So my Chrome is a little bit finicky. Sometimes it failed to download packages. Yeah, now it starts to download. So it's like it's already downloaded the package over here. So what we are going to do is, like, if you want to download more packages, you can search over here. It's entirely up to you. You can browse something, you can download something, it's entirely up to you. So I'm going to close this up and I'm going to open up my terminal. If I cd into downloads, and if I do an ls, you can see we have Icecat available over here. So what we are going to do is Pacman-u Icecat. So you need to have super user privileges to use your package manager. So sudo pacman, and I'm going to enter my password. So this is going to install Icecat for us. So this is like the binary version of Icecat. You don't need to compile something from the AUR or something. So this is another way of downloading something and installing it on Arch Linux. So if I search for Icecat, this is the GNU Icecat. So the another way of doing these things are like if you open up and pacman.conf, have this portion. Let me close this out, where you can add your repositories over here. So here you can specify custom repositories if you want. So by that way you can like download packages without downloading the binary file from the website. But I like to do this way because sometime if you add repositories from some other distribution, it may cause package conflict and it may cause issues with your system, like it will not boot or something like that. So that's how I like to do these things. I like to keep things simple. So I hope this one was helpful. I hope you all have a wonderful day.